Hello viewers, welcome to the Smart Learning French Language class. Today's topic is Mettez féminin. That means some sentences are given in your question and the instruction is you have to convert it to the feminine gender. These given sentences are containing from the subject pronoun, nationality, profession and attributes and adjectives all are in masculine gender and you have to convert it to feminine. Okay. I'll be showing you in today's class how to convert it from masculine to feminine. This is called Mettez féminin. This type of questions is a very important part of the French grammar and this type of question frequently comes in different levels of examinations from the very beginning school levels exams, that is ICSE, CBSE, French language exams and other professional exams also. This type of question frequently comes. I'll be showing you how to convert it in today's class. Before starting today's lesson, please permit me to let you know that I have launched a French communicative course. This is an online, totally online, short-term course, French communicative, and this course will be giving you a very good coverage regarding the communicative part, communicative aspects of the French language. Okay. This course will be very much effective and will be helpful for the students of all levels. The students who are interested to visit France itself or any other French-speaking countries for their higher studies or official purpose or job purpose, or the persons who are interested to visit France or any other French-speaking country for the purpose of business or official jobs. Okay. And the persons who are interested for the Canadian job immigration, that is the Canadian immigration experience, are also definitely be benefited from this French language communicative course. Short-term online course, you may comfortably join and comfortably follow this course comfortably at home, totally online. Okay, if you are interested to join this course, the contact details is given in the description of the video. You may contact me and this course will be very much effective and I may assure you that you will be definitely learning something from this effective French communicative course. This is a very much effective course and very short period course. Okay, in a very short period time, you will be definitely learning something from this course. Okay. Before starting today's session, I'll be requesting once again to all of my viewers, students and friends to subscribe the channel Smart Learning so that all the lessons uploaded in the channel you can get it fast. Please like and share the video lessons uploaded because one like and share will motivate me to work hard for the next lessons. Let's start today's topic. Thank you. Mettez féminin, today's topic. I have already uploaded a video. That is the opposite side. That is from the feminine to masculine. Okay. I have already uploaded in the channel. Who have not seen that video, please see that video. And it is Mettez féminin in today's topic. So this is a very important topic. Please see the total video. Please don't skip. Okay. So first example, I am showing you one by one. Le beau-frère de mon père est mon oncle. Okay. The beautiful brother, okay, of my father is my uncle. So from the top to bottom in this type of question you have to observe top to bottom the sentence. Okay, the first article le, the masculine article will be changed to la. Okay. Then the attribute or adjective, that is le beau. Beau will be in feminine, it will be belle, la belle. Okay. Frère. Frère will be changed to brother. Frère will be changed to sister. La belle-sœur de mon père. Mon père in feminine will be ma mère. La belle-sœur de ma mère est mon oncle, that is, this will be changed to ma. and oncle, it will be changed to feminine tat. Okay, this is the complete answer. Le belle-sœur de mon père, de ma mère et ma tante. Okay, this is the complete answer. Please take down in your copy. I am showing you one by one. The next sentence I am showing you how to convert. Le bel homme canadien travaille chez Renault. Le bel homme. Okay, the beautiful man. Canada is the nationality, Canadian. Works in chez Renault means this is the name of the farm or corporate farm. Okay, chez Renault. Works in Renault. So from the top to bottom, that is le bel homme will be, le article will be la. Belle will be belle, feminine, B-double-L-E, la belle femme. Homme will be lady, man will be lady, femme in feminine. La belle femme, Canadien. Canadian, actually Canadien will be double N-E, is a feminine nationality. Nationality is being changed. La belle femme canadienne travaille. Travaille chez Renault. Okay, this is the complete answer. The beautiful lady, Canadian lady, works in Renault. Okay, this is a complete example. Please take down in your copy. Okay. Next example. C'est un beau garçon. Il est acteur. Il est acteur. This is a complete sentence. C'est un bon garçon. Is a beautiful boy. He works, he is actor. Okay. C'est un bon garçon. C'est un. The first part, c'est un will be une in feminine. C'est une, beau will be belle. C'est une belle, garçon will be fille. I'm changing it to feminine. Garçon will be fille. C'est une belle fille. Okay. Il est acteur. So il will be changed to elle. Il will be changed to elle. Elle est actrice. Actrice. Feminine is actrice. Acteur is masculine. Actrice is feminine. The complete answer is c'est une belle fille. était actrice. Elle est actrice. Okay. Is a beautiful girl. She is actress. Okay. Please take down in your copy. I am showing you one by one. Ce neveu sort avec son ami. This is a masculine sentence. You have to change it to feminine. Okay. Son neveu. Son neveu, his nephew. So first time you have to change it. Son. So will be sa in feminine. Nephew will be niece. Sa nièce. Sa nièce sort avec son ami will be changed to feminine. That is extra E to be added. Okay. This is an exceptional. Possessive is exceptional here because it is not being changed. Sa niece sor avec son ami. Okay. It does not change. It is an exceptional. Okay. Sentence. His niece goes out with her friend. Okay. This is the English meaning. Is an exceptional. I am showing you one by one. Mon beau-père est très gentil. Is a sentence. My father-in-law is very gentle. If you want to convert it to feminine, so it will be totally, this part will be changed. So it will be my mother-in-law. So from the possessive it will be changed. This is from the very beginning. Ma belle-mère. Beau-père will be belle-mère. Okay. Ma belle-mère est très gentille. Gentille will be double L-E in case of feminine. Okay. My mother-in-law is very gentle. Is the complete answer. English meaning. The complete answer is ma belle-mère est très gentille. Okay. This is the actual procedure. How to convert a masculine sentence to feminine. Now I am showing you one by one. That is, please take down in your copy. Le pharmacien donne des médicaments aux clients. This is a complete sentence. Okay. You have to change it to feminine. So how will change it? Le pharmacien. Le pharmacien, in feminine it will be pharmacien. Double N-E. Lo will be changed to la. Article. La pharmacienne. Donne des médicaments aux clients. O, article contracté will be feminine. A la. Client will be feminine, so article contracté will be also feminine. La cliente. Okay, an extra E to be added. So your complete answer is la pharmacienne. La pharmacienne donne des médicaments à la cliente. Okay. The pharmacian, that is who works in the pharmacy or medicine shop, gives the medicines to the client, female client. So client is the given sentence. It was masculine, and in the conversion, after conversion, is client. Extra E has been added. Feminine client, feminine buyers. Okay. That's all for today's class, Mettez féminin. And I'll be coming with a next grammatical topic of the French grammar in my next video lessons. Okay. Till then, have a nice day. Thank you for attending the class.